I've been getting them since when they were little tiny kids, from the age of 5 to 13 to 15, they've been coming with me. And as a opportunity I got. Michael has been a great producer, he's been a great host, a great chap and good, really flamboyant producer, I must say. I haven't seen many producers who look like him. And he's an actor also, and it was a pleasure working with two little kids out here. They're fantastic actors, and they're such an upcoming star out there, I feel. And Nilesh, obviously, you're really sensitive. I miss Viswasji. I loved it. I felt happy doing a film in a language which the state which I have loved. I've done Goa. I've always been part of Goa. It's like I feel at home when I leave Mumbai city and come here. I feel at home away from home. I love this place, and I'm happy and I'm blessed to be working in a Goan film. And I hope मेरे को और पिक्चर मिलने लगेगा. कोई लिखने वाला होगा तो बोलना भाई मैं ओपन नहीं क्या कमी है इधर. मगर आज मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था तो उसने मेरे को ये बोला कि लोग बहुत कम है, 15 लाख लोग हैं गोवा स्टेट में, बराबर है, 15 lakh people. I said that's more than enough. 15 lakh people is wow, beautiful. That's what has kept this state beautiful, clean, and environment is absolutely lovely because we have less people. Controlled, fantastic. But where films are concerned, even 80% of the people, 30% भी लोग जाके देखेंगे अपना कल्चर को, अपना लैंग्वेज को, अपना हेरिटेज को आगे लेके जाने के लिए तो बहुत हो गया था ना. So what I feel is, I have no idea what is the situation here. Like in Maharashtra, we have entertainment tax, which is quite healthy. I don't know what is the entertainment tax out here. I think if that can be relaxed, if there is still heavier tax, I don't know what might not. But if that taxation is an issue, that should be taken down. There should be more films being made out here. There should be given a lot more facilities. There should be one window clearance, like permission, could he shoot kara, एक sign. इधर कर, उधर करने का ये एक sign. और सब्सिडी देना चाहिए प्रोड्यूसर लोग को, हेल्प देना चाहिए कि come and do more films so that our language is seen more and more. More producers come forward. ये अपना काम है. This is our job to take our language forward. We Mumbai ka, but my soul is here, my heart is here. I've come here and I'm happy that I've done a Goan film.